is Madhav Narayan Sharma.
Madhava Narayan Sharma.
Yeah.
Okay? Hare Krishna, we are here at a very, very beautiful place in Vrindavan, very important for us, Uddhava temple, and here we are with Madhava Narayan Sharma, Vrijavasi, local, he take care now for this temple, he built up. Please come at the Kusum Sarovar, visit this temple, help him, give some donation so he can maintain and build more. But more important, let's listen. He has very important to tell us about the importance of this place in the Lila. Please.
Oh. Here is, first of all, I am telling help. Here is help need three types of help.
Yes.
By body, tan, by heart,
Yes.
tan, and by wealth.
Yes.
So here many devotees passed their life here, and they only clean the place.
Yes.
Cleaning service is more important.
Yes.
If you want to get Krishna Kripa, you have to clean all the place.
We clean the heart also. Clean out, clean heart.
Out and heart.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And money is secondary because some so automatically they provide everything. Yoga Kshem Bhavanamyam. Krishna take all the responsibility. So no need to think about money. Achha, this is three type of seva.
Yes.
Number one, by body. Just I am doing here.
Yes.
I am doing here.
Yes.
Tan, man, heart by chanting, just like you
Yes.
chanting here.
Yes.
Tan, man, dhan. Dhan, if you have a spare money,
Yes.
you can
Yes.
extra. It's just like it is going to destroy. You see that corner, that corner.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So we have to paint it and decorate at Krishna's place.
Yes.
So I am doing this.
Okay.
I am doing by body, and some money I have, then I will
Yes.
spend here. Okay, now you want to know about the
Lila.
Leela and a special
Yes.
importance of this temple.
Yes.
I am starting from Uddhav temple.
Yes.
Many Leelas, lot of Leelas done by Krishna here, taking curd from the gopis, and Ras Leela here,
Yes.
and grazing cow here,
Mm-hmm.
and decorating Radha here.
Mm-hmm.
These are Leelas,
Yes.
a lot of many Leelas done by Lord Krishna, because 20 kilometers far here, Varsana.
Yes.
Radharani came from Varsana and Krishna came from Nandagaon.
Mm-hmm.
And Krishna bring their cow to graze here. Radharani came here to pluck the flowers, because here
Yes.
was before Radharani's garden, but not now.
Yes.
Now it is very thorn and like
Yes.
that.
Yes.
So time changing.
Mm-hmm.
So and this place is actually heaven. You are sitting here, you are in heaven, because no Kali Yuga is here.
Mm-hmm.
In this area, no Kali Yuga. Why?
Krishna
No.
presence.
Special thing.
Bhagavatam? Okay, yes.
Because at the time of Bhagavatam, Kali Yuga came here to disturb the Bhagavatam.
Okay.
So, Uddhavji ordered to Parikshit, Kali Yuga disturbing, you control it.
Mm-hmm.
So, Parikshit take duty and he control the Kali. Let them move. If you will do like them,
More attack. Okay.
and attack here. But I don't disturb
Okay.
them. Where I left my
Uddhava came here. Kali Yuga.
to protect this place from the Kali Yuga.
Yes.
So he requested, Parikshit request, dear Uddhavji, if I will go to control the Kali, I will definitely control the Kali. But how I will listen Srimad Bhagavatam? You will take all blessings of Srimad Bhagavatam to other pupils, but not me.
Mhm.
Then Uddhavji said, don't worry, Parikshit, at the right time you will listen this Bhagavatam from by Sukadevji at Sukta.
Yes.
So Parikshit went to control the Kali, and Parikshit engaged the Kali
Yes.
so that he don't come here, come this place.
Mhm.
So after 1 month, so this is the reason though no Kali Yuga effect here.
Mhm.
You see sometimes Kali Yuga pupils come and they just then run away from this place. Many times I take experience. Now this big Bhandara done by Kali Yuga peoples.
Mhm.
So you see that I am working hard and lot of bad things are here, they throw some.
Yes. Yes.
So this is Kali Yuga effect. They are very, very rich men,
Yes.
but their interest only enjoy this place.
Yes. Yes.
So although they spend here 20,000 rupees for this coloring
Yes.
of the walls, but that is not proper. Only so, because walls is going to
Great.
damage and you are like that painting useless. Okay, come to the right place.
Yes.
Side disturbance, Kali Yuga disturbance this is. I want to tell Katha, but Kali Yuga entered in the mind. So, and from starting here, Srimad Bhagavatam, Uddhavji continuously chant Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, and all the concentration of devotees come this side. And they connect with Krishna and listen Srimad Bhagavatam attentively. After 1 month, Krishna came out from Srimad Bhagavatam, this place. And all the problems of Krishna's wife
Yes.
finished when
Yes.
they are weeping in
Balaka, they came here.
Came here.
Yes.
And Yamuna ji, Mataroni is here, and Uddhav ji, Bajuna, Parikshit. Bajuna was the king after
Arjuna.
Yes.
Yes.
Arjuna.
Yeah, yeah.
Bajuna. Parikshit also king of Delhi, and Bajuna king of
Mathura.
Mathura, because Bajuna great grandson of Lord Krishna.
Yes, yes.
So Krishna's duty kingdom attended by Bajuna of this place.
Yes.
So that time here, Shiv Bhakta, Ram Bhakta, and Brajvasi. So they sent Krishna's wife to direct Golok Dham, and Krishna asked Brajvasi, "Hello, dear Sakha." Sakha means friends. What do you want? You want to go Golok Dham? They asked, "Oh, Uddhav ji, what is in Golok Dham? Krishna, what is in Golok Dham? Every facility is there. Lot of makhan, lot of things, everything. What you need, that is available. Is there, you will graze cow? If you will, you will graze cow and you will take curd from the gopis? No, that is not. Then I don't want to Golok Dham. I will stay here till your next incarnation. So, we pupils like Brajvasis are waiting for that time. And effect of Kali Yuga also come here on for the Brajvasi's mind also. But who is devotee, he is not affected by Kali Yuga.
Yes.
So, this is the Kali Yuga disturbance. You see, crowd is there. I give that ladies 500 rupees to clean the place, but I am cleaning the place, or she is speaking here because Kali Yuga. So, where I left this Golok Dham story,
Yes.
Brajvasis.
Yes, yes, yes.
So Brajvasis is still waiting, and they asked Ram Bhakt also, hello, dear Ram Bhakt, what you want? You want to go Golok Dham? No, please, we want to go Saket Dham. Near Saket. Saket means where Ramchandra lives.
Aha, okay.
Saket Dham.
Okay.
They sent Ram Bhakta to Saket Dham. And Shiva Bhakti is also there. They ask also Shiva Bhakta. They say, you want to go Golok Dham? No. I want to go Shivloka. They send Shiva Bhakta to Shivloka.
Yes.
So, no Kali Yuga is here. Understand why Kali Yuga is not here?
Yes. Yes.
Acha. Why Uddhavji live here, you know?
He prayed to become a grass for the gopis to get gopis dust on the head.
Still Uddhavji is here.
Yes.
Still. I think that if you continuously Srimad Bhagavatam, not like that devotees for purpose of earning
Earning money, yes, but to understand.
but, only understand. Money is very not important for devotees. But changing the mind
Yes.
for that purpose.
It is said Mukti, Lakshmi, all is before devotee who just want to purely serve. All,
It is my thinking.
everything come. Just main is our bhakti, everything else.
Only contact yourself to Krishna.
Yes.
Then this is a story of this place Uddhava.
Yes.
You read there in English also.
Yeah.
And in Srimad Bhagavatam also.
Yes.
Where is that story in Srimad Bhagavatam?
No, this is Purana, Padma Purana.
Padma Purana.
Yeah.
Four.
Or Skanda Purana. Skanda Purana.
Skanda Purana. That part is here.
Yes.
But in Hindi.
Yeah, I know. Okay, this was everything for today. We hear from this Sharma, Madhava Narayan Sharma, very beautiful narration about this holy place. And we have to understand the importance of Srimad Bhagavatam.
And little stories also.
More stories there, eh? Which?
Here was Kadamba trees before.
Kadamba trees, yes.
So Radharani came here to pluck the flowers.
Yes.
He looked a branch of Kadamba, oh very nice, but that is on height.
Yes.
That
Yes.
is on height. And Krishna understands the will of Radharani. Krishna climb on the tree and by his weight down.
Push down the branch.
And Radharani take the branch and one hand
Yes.
started plucking the flower.
Yeah.
So that time, just then Krishna left his gate.
Leg and went up. Radharani went up.
And then just then jumped Krishna and take him.
Radharani folded his hands.
This type of many stories here. Story will go long, so in short. This is Makhan Leela is here also. Krishna take Makhan. They went to buy this way to sell their Makhan from Varsani to Mathura.
Yeah.
Oh, you are making Kansa powerful by giving that all Makhan. Bring Makhan here. Big songs about the Leela, and when you come and 7 days at least.
Yes.
Read
Bhagavad, full Bhagavad.
in Sanskrit, you know Sanskrit, I think? No.
Torah.
Then you get try to get real knowledge of Sanskrit.
I
In
studied.
some parts you understand, your life is perfectly.
Thank you, okay, video, stop.